Welcome, dear listeners. In this video, we shall read further the chapter When Granny Wanted a Lemon. So far, we have read that Swaminathan was getting late, horribly late for his cricket match, whereas Granny was suffering from stomachache. She wanted Swaminathan to bring a lemon for her so that she could be relieved of the pain. She made a deal with her grandson. She gave him 6 pies, and out of those 6 pies, 3 pies were for lemon, whereas 3 pies were just like a bribe for him. Since Swaminathan was getting horribly late for his match, he denied the deal outrightly and threw the coins onto the floor. But while he was coming back from the match, when the match got over, now his inner conscience, his inner feelings, they started pricking him. Now he was a bit worried about his grandmother. Let's read further what happened in the story. He stood at Dhruv and Vinayak Mudali Street Junction. It is the name of the place where the friends were all standing, as it were face to face with his soul. Now he was left all alone. All his friends had dispersed. He was thinking about his granny, and he was thinking, rather worried about his own behavior as well. He was evaluating himself and his attitude, his conduct towards his granny. He thought of his grandmother and felt guilty. Probably she was writhing with pain at that very moment. It stung his heart as he remembered her pathetic, upturned face and watery eyes. He called himself a sneak, a thief, an ingrate, and a hard-hearted villain. While on his way back to his home, he was thinking continuously of his grandmother. Although he loved his grandmother very much, and he was thinking, probably, means perhaps she was writhing with pain. Probably, perhaps she would be crying in pain. She would be having so much stomach ache. He was a small child. This he was all imagining. His heart was crying too. Now he was remembering that grandmother's eyes were a bit watery. Might be she was crying. She was almost crying in her heart because of pain. He called himself a sneak. Sneak here means a dishonest, a bad person. He was expecting himself to be a thief. He was feeling just like a thief, an ingrate person, ungrateful. He had the feeling of ungrateful person. He was considering himself just like villain of the story, a stone-hearted person, as if he did not have any feelings for anyone. He was solely focused on his cricket match. Now he was feeling bad for himself. He was regretting for his bad behavior. Now he was thinking that he should have served his grandmother, but he considered his cricket match more important than the pain of his granny. Let's read further. In this mood of self-reproach, he reached home. He stood beside Granny and kept looking at her. It was contrary to his custom. Contrary means opposite to his custom. His custom, his routine was to enter into the house and he used to go straight to the kitchen to grab something to eat. But this time he didn't go straight to the kitchen. Rather, he went to his granny. He was standing beside his granny's bed and he was looking at her fixedly. He was not able to pull his eyes up from her. He was filled with self-reproach. Self-reproach means he was blaming himself of her pain. Because of him, she could not be relieved of pain. Let's read further. Every evening, as soon as he reached his home, he would dash straight into the kitchen and worry the cook. But now he felt that his hunger did not matter. It was his daily routine. As soon as he entered his home, he would directly go into the kitchen and worry the cook. Worry the cook here means he used to disturb the cook all the time and would ask how much time would the cook take to prepare the dinner. But this time his hunger was all dead. He was not feeling hungry at all. Although he had played match, yet he was more concerned and careful about his granny now. Thanks for watching the video.